apart. Money in my pocket, let me see what my car. I'm strong and I like you to whip. Fix it up, I'm a beast with the flip. Yeah, the money don't stop. Sub and like to leave it coming for real. The video's coming, you just wait for the drop. Tell your friends they're gonna share this skills. You can catch me scooping around in the lot. Hey, Lucky's wheels and deals.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back at it again with another lit video, you guys. So today we got the Monte Carlo out here, y'all. So we got him out. We're about to go ahead and put the 24s on here, man. Y'all been wanting me to put rims on here. Like I said before in the last video, over 200 y'all guys said go with the 24s. 80 of y'all guys said go with the keep the stocks on there, and basically keep the stocks on there, or either go with a new style rim or whatever. But pretty much, yeah, man, we about to go see what the 24s do. We about to put them on there. Hopefully I don't break another lug. I broke another lug, so hopefully I don't run into that problem. Or then I'll be dealing with a whole nother job, and I'm not trying to do all that. So let's get up out of here and let's get to work, man. I got stuff to do, man. Also, man, I want my boy to hit me up, see if I could go look at this white Tahoe, man. So see what kind of price he talking about. I don't even know what he talking about. I think he thought he posted it, but said it was a new car trade-in. So we're trying to see. I'm trying to see what that thing talking about. But yeah, let's go put these rims on there. Yeah, I'm just gonna park it in my little spot and take my time. I know the rims heavy as hell. It's starting to warm up. I've been wanting this damn heat, and I don't know, I'm scared to put big rims. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. It's just what comes with it, man. The headaches. I'm just not ready for that kind of, you know what I mean? It's driving smooth, I got everything, but I like the look of the rim, but I just don't like the ride of the rims and like the rubbing and the scrubbing. I'm just not ready for, you know, adjusting that, and then yeah, I'm just not ready for that. But we gonna do it, man. It's about that time. It ain't like I daily drive this car anyway, so putting big rims on here won't make a difference. But y'all see I got the gauges. For those that don't know, I got my double dent in there, new car. I got new everything except for rims, pretty much. Got my little gauges, my dash on there. I got the headline and all that. Pretty much all the new interior, new seat belts, all that. Took the tint off. Oh yeah, it got like a light tint on there. But anyways, guys, let's get to work, man. Let's get it. By the way, I forgot to show y'all my shirt. Got the Monte Carlo on there. Next, I'll probably have my shirt. You know what I mean? Big wheels. Rims. I gotta figure out which one I want on the back, which one I want. Put these two on the back. This one, yeah, I can see this one. It's got kind of bent a little bit. Let me figure out what are they directional. I don't think so, but I'm about to double check to make sure they're not. That thing in the air. You trying to put 24s and get that thing in the air. Got a lock on it. Take this bad boy off. Good thing already painted. And the wheel well. All that good stuff. You see that? All that good stuff, man. Might need some brake pads after a while. I got the first one on there. Let's see what it do when you sit it down. Ooh, sitting on foes. too. Man, I'm probably getting turned out. Yeah, we want to make these fours work. I'm about to get rid of my stocks. Yeah, you got the SS right there. I don't know, should I go with this black background with the white SS, or should I go blue? Y'all guys comment below, let me know, because y'all know I got to do the center thing to add my little touches on there. So guys, I had to run to my neighborhood friendly AutoZone to get a spacer, because it was trying to rub in the back. And what the hell is this come from? Probably, yeah. I need to get a rubber mallet and bang that back that way before it hooks on this. Or, yeah. I don't know, or leave it like that, I don't know. Tighten this. Tighten these rings. Put these big ass oversized rims on there. But it's gonna look tight. Hopefully it's worth it. It feels like it needs, I don't know. It'll probably change position once it drops down though. So this is the problem I'm falling out with this. That thing's so damn close right there. And I'm not trying to frame notch and cut on my car. So, what do you guys suggest? Yeah, let me know. Should I do already put the spacers in there? I'm gonna put double spacers. I don't know, I think that's kind of dangerous. Let's if I put one of these on here. So I'll put one of these on there. That might work. See, it's not that I don't like big rims on cars. It's just a headache, man. So I'm going with this kind of like I did on my Chevelle. So except for I'm just gonna do it on the back. I think it might work, but I don't know how much it's gonna pull out, and then I got to figure out how I'm gonna roll these. Got them on there. I'm not sure 100% how I feel about this. I think this will put enough space between the two, but if I put two of these, but I think, y'all let me know, I think I could put longer studs. You know what I mean? If I could put these spacers on there, put two of these instead of that, so it'll kind of make it go in more. I think it's kind of out too much, so it makes it look really staggered. Like, I don't know, I'm gonna let y'all see. Alright, so how this one look. I'm not too. This one looks in. I don't know. I gotta comment below, let me know. I'm gonna pull it out after I get them all on. Alright, y'all. I know it's a little late, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I get frustrated. Like, because I don't have nobody around me that really ride big wheels like that and mess with these cars like that's around me to get some advice or anything. But I don't know how motherfuckers doing it. I don't know, are they just letting it scrub, rub, or whatever the case is. It's not a good feeling. Like, it might look good and all, but it is not practical, like, to really be driving. I know, I'm thinking, y'all guys need to help me. I'm thinking that this needs to have longer back studs I seen them on race cars, but longer back studs put 2 spaces where it's smaller, and this will push in more, and I think that would be fine. But this thing rubbing in the front, it's already kind of rubbing. It's trying to lock up, man. It's more of a straightaway car now. It's more of a straightaway car. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I'm about to take these wheels off. It looks clean as hell, but I'm about to just go smaller. I want to go another direction, man. It looks good as hell though. It looks good. It looks mean. It looks muscle. I like how it sits. I like the stance. I like how it sits. It's, you know, got a little squatted, you know what I mean? But it ain't, I don't know, man. It ain't my style. It kind of look dumb. It look like the wheels are too damn big for this car, kind of, in a way. They just look a little oversized. I know they 24s, and a lot of y'all ride 28s and 26s, and like 24s are small, but I guess it's just not my style. I don't know, but it looks good, but it's not practical. You know what I mean? And no, I'm not gonna just keep the styles. I want to put some other type of rims on here, man. I don't know. I even told Pops, like, man, these rims will look good on the 70 Impala. I think it'll turn it all the way up. But when you start customizing cars like that, and I got it for sale, then I think it takes away from certain people that's trying to buy it. Because the way how I got it posted now, the type of people that's trying to buy it don't look like they into big wheels and colorful paint, if you know what I mean. So just that audience, I kind of wanted to leave it original, but I might paint it if I have it long enough. I don't know. I'm all over the place, y'all know me, but this thing, I don't know, man. I don't know, it's rough. I don't know, am I supposed to lift it up a little bit more in the front to help it? Because look, this part rubbed. I don't want to cut on my car. I'm sorry, I know it's just a little bit, but it ain't worth the cutting on my car. You know what I mean? I don't want to cut on my car. Yeah. So I don't know, guys. Y'all comment below and let me know. Help a brother out. Help me out. I need help. This is why I don't ride big wheels or even mess with them, especially on this car. All the cars I try to put big wheels on just was straight failure. I guess it's not meant for me or whatever. I don't know. It was a totally failure. But don't say I didn't try and I didn't do it. I know a lot of people are happy that I ain't gonna put these rims on there. Some people are like, nah, they look good. So, man, they do look good. I just wish that it didn't scrub and have all that extra. I might have to go with like, these might be 9.5, so I don't know. I might have to go smaller width and smaller tires. The tire, if I go with a smaller tire, that might help too. So it's just a whole bunch of spending. And if I probably would have ordered my rims, I probably would have got 24 by 8s or 24 8.5s, and go with 25 rubber bands instead of 30s. Yeah, so that could probably be the difference. And then probably for the back, get longer studs. But I think these are 9.5, so I think if I got 8.5s, I wouldn't have that kind of, I would have the clearance. So that's probably, these rims probably not gonna do it. I might try it again, y'all. I'm gonna do some research. I ain't did no research. I just bought these rims just because I like Irocs, and I thought they were just popped on because they came off of his G-body, but his G-body is modified. You know what I mean? He got the QA1 suspension, all that shit make a difference. Yeah, this shit's modified. You know what I mean? Plus it's a Cutlass G-body, so I don't know if what's the difference in them. And he got the Z01 1LE LSA supercharger kit on it, whatever. So, but anyway, right, man, Oh man, y'all guys help me out, man. I ain't gonna continue this video. I'ma just drop this video for y'all guys. I can get it out faster and y'all guys can help me out, man. We got a lot of stuff coming. Oh, tomorrow, man, I gotta charge up the battery on the Chevelle. So tomorrow we gotta drop off the Chevelle. I might just say, since everyone playing around, I might just go, I'm gonna go up to the dealership and try to find me a new Tahoe. Probably get a 2025, man, with the new screen and all that. Treat myself, man. You only live once. You know what I mean? You only live once. I treat myself, but you know, not to new shit. You know what I mean? Too busy dealing with this old shit. But I might have to do it, man. And what else I gotta do? So we did the exhaust already. That was yesterday's video, which I recorded the same day. And then, oh, check on the 72 Monte Carlo. So we'll do all that tomorrow. I'm gonna drop off the Chevelle, check on the 72 Monte Carlo, and probably go look at a Tahoe all in one video, probably, or something like that. I don't know, it depends on how tomorrow goes. But let me do a walk around of it one more again, man. I'm gonna have to do a video. I might go, damn, man, it looks good though. Let me get that look. Probably order some US mags. I don't know, man, it looks good. And then, but I hate how it drives. Like, I could deal with the bumps. I don't want to do no cutting, so I know smaller tires in the front for sure. Maybe not as wide in the front, because these might be 9s. A lot of people buy the 9.5. So it might be 9.5. And I'm probably gonna have to get 8.5 for front and back. And I think I have a good clearance. But look how big this damn spacer is, man. I can't be riding like that, man. You can't be rocking, rolling, riding like that, man. Look like I got a light out right here. Gotta change that. Got a light out right there. Both those lights work. This light, that light work, and this light works. So so I'm gonna have to change those two lights. But god damn, and the only reason why I didn't notice that, because I don't really drive at night. Every once in a while I do. But damn, y'all guys comment below, let me know, man, because I gotta drop the video. I need some feedback, man. Y'all let me know. I'll probably leave these rims on here for now, or I probably might put them on the 70 Impala, but I got it up for sale. I don't know, man. I'll probably leave these rims on there for now, just for until I figure out. And y'all gotta give me some feedback, man. Tell me, how can I make this work? What am I doing wrong? How can I make this work on the G body? I don't know, man. Send me some videos. Let me know what I should be doing. I don't want to cut on my car, so if I gotta put a different set of rims on it, then I will. But these look good, and they don't sell the chrome ones no more. They stopped making the chrome ones. They don't sell the chrome ones. This chrome make it pop out. Y'all know how I used to ride my Monte Carlos back in the days. Like, y'all know, like the 2000s to the 2007, all those Monte Carlos. That's how I used to rock them. Chrome, no chrome at all on the car besides the rims, and it used to always look good, man. So I'll probably hold on to these rims, because I don't know what I'm gonna end up putting them on. They deserve to be on a bigger car, but I don't know yet. I don't know. I might sell them. I don't know at this point. But y'all guys comment below and let me know, man. Help me out, man. Help your boy out, man. Lucky Wheels and Deals, man. Hey, appreciate and love all y'all. But just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky Wheels and Deals, and I'm out. Yay! Da-da-da. Retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the time's bust. Out the window like, cuss, on the hood of the scraper.